Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video it's about collaboration project and starting small. So I choose different approach, and every feature module I need to start small and scale from there in order to achieve minimum viable product. So if you have some suggestions about that, let me know. And the current focus is on procedural generation, and everything will be in modules and like a plugin system. The type of organizing should be like a game. I need to use more design patterns because it seems like they are pretty useful and better organizing of the software development, and should be easier to scale and maintain the project. And the approach is also incremental, so when I start small, then incrementing from first step, second step, third, and so on. So it should be incremental type of organizing the different features and modules. Usefulness, that is when the player and users come along, so it should be through feedbacks and better communication with the users and players should be achieved usefulness. And some libraries and tools that I frequently use in the project: CMake, the MGUI for user interface, and some new C++ features. And here is some flowchart simple that I'm going to use because it seems to be useful for me. Start small, trying to scale, then minimum viable product, and then repeating the process. So incrementally repeating that flowchart should produce better results. Some ideas. So as I mentioned before, procedural generation of tiles and coordinates. The focus will be on the tiles and coordinates first. Technological tree, that is some idea for achievements of the players and the users using collaboration project, and exporting to different file formats. Example 3. So feedback, if you have some suggestions or any pain points in game dev, let me know in the comments below. And example structural flowchart that I'm going to use frequently. That's all for this video. If you have some suggestions or questions, let me know in the comments below. Until next time, bye bye.